Hey everyone, Nick from Wellable here with another Whiteboard Wednesday session. This week's topic is wellness rewards. Specifically, we're going to look at some great companies and what they're doing from an innovative perspective on wellness rewards. So we'll start with Bank of America. Rather than give out gift cards, they are giving a charitable contribution to one of two options. The first one is Habitat for Humanity. The second one is their internal employee relief fund. The reason we love this wellness reward, first, it's a tax benefit for both the employer and the employee. Second, lots of research around why charitable giving and volunteerism is beneficial from a personal well-being perspective. So it's a good way to connect your reward strategy and reinvest it in terms of additional personal well-being or employee well-being. And last but not least, the employee relief fund is a really cool benefit. Most companies don't have it to the extent that B of A does. It's a good way to recruit new talent, retain existing talent. So it's a nice way for Bank of America to incorporate their wellness reward strategy with their talent management strategy. Southwest Airlines, they take public recognition to the next level. They're famous for including their employees in all their marketing materials. So when you see someone on their website or a commercial, those are real Southwest employees. So what they've done is taken something they've done for years and incorporate that into their wellness program. So if you qualify or win as part of their wellness program, you get an opportunity to be on the website, to be in those videos, to be the face of Southwest. The reason we love it, it's essentially free. So Southwest is already investing their marketing dollars. They're going to choose employees anyway. To the extent they can encourage participation in their wellness program, they can do so in a way that doesn't really cost them much money. And the second reason is that this is kind of concept of making their employees their best spokespeople for their service and their product. That's something the core of what Southwest has always done. So it's incorporate something at the core of that business into their wellness strategy. Motley Fool does event reimbursement. So they reimburse 50% of races that people sign up for. The reason we love it is that there's truly a race for every single person, whether it's a 5K, a Spartan race, whatever your specific wellness interests are, there is a race for you to do. So there's a diverse way for people to kind of claim or get this benefit. Also, Motley Fool does a really good job of making this a team event. So getting small groups of people to sign for a 5K, they can support each other while they train and get ready for the event. And last but not least, a race is a tangible goal, right? You know exactly what you need to accomplish. There's a specific date for when that race is going to be. And setting goals is really important in terms of getting individuals to be successful in terms of their wellness. Zappos does something cool called wellness adventures. So their wellness staff create these adventures. They're during the day, so people can take a break from work. They're typically things like an hour-long golf outing, laser tag, really fun events. The reason we love this reward strategy, first, it opens people's eyes to events and fun activities that they may not otherwise have done. So, expose them to new things. Also, they do a really good job about grabbing people from different parts of their organization, so sales, accounting, things like that, and connecting them with a fun team-building activity. Those individuals may not normally meet or interact with each other, but it really creates a continuity and culture within the organization. Schneider Electric, they really bring it back to the basics here. Rather than have a fixed wellness event or kind of program for every single office, they decentralize it. They take a wellness champion in each office. They get a small budget based on the number of employees at that office to create fun wellness events. So what makes sense for the Boston office may not make sense for the Phoenix office, but those individuals at each one of those offices can decide what people want, what do people want to engage in. The reason we love it, it's hyper local. It's considering the really specific interests and things of that of each office. And secondly, it's a great pilot program. So as these different offices are testing different fun events out, if something works really well, Schneider Electric can expand it across the organization, but it's a good way for them to innovate or decentralize that innovation across the dozens of offices that they have. If you want to learn more about these 5 companies and the details around their wellness rewards, check out our website, www.wellable.co. Go to our resources. You can download an ebook that talks about all the things we just discussed in more detail. And join us next week for another Whiteboard Wednesday session.